Hello friends! The small car that was new last year will get a sportier Apex Special Edition package for Corolla SE and Corolla XE sedans. The package will be limited to 6,000 units and includes a body kit, lowered ride height and sport-tuned exhaust. Toyota said it will sell only 120 Corollas with the Apex package and a 6-speed manual transmission. The rest will be fitted on cars equipped with a continuously variable automatic transmission. Corollas with the Apex package will still be powered by a 169 horsepower 2.0-liter inline-4, while Corolla L, LE and XLE models will use a 1.8-liter inline-4 that makes 139 horsepower. All Corollas will be equipped with Android Auto smartphone compatibility software for 2021, and Corolla Nightshade Edition returns for 2021. Thank you guys.